taking a look at Frozen Ever After. As you can see, it's early in the morning. The line is 70 minutes, 50 for single riders. Fortunately for today, we have Premier Access. So here you'll see the line area, and we'll try to give you as much of this experience as we really can. As you can see, this is kind of nice. Premier Access will get us much closer. We'll find out how much of a line. Premier Access is a little bit different than they offer at the Disney parks in the United States, in the sense that there it's typically single pass by pass. This one allows you one fast pass for each. One fast pass for each ride. Only once, but I think still pretty cool. Here we are. This is the end of the regular lines. So we have a little bit ahead of us. We'll pause for now.
N'oubliez pas, vous risquez d'être mouillé.
All right, who's ready? Here we go, we're getting close. All right, so on the waterfall, I think we'll get our picture.
C'est par une journée comme celle-ci qu'Anna a sauvé sa sœur par un geste d'amour. Sa sœur qui a déjeuné un cœur de glace.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Tout à fait.
Hey, look at the ice palace.
Frozen is less than a year old, right? It only opened on March the 26th of 2026. And I will tell you, the lines for this ride are crazy. And there's really good reason, right? I think this is a ride that everybody can enjoy. It's not only for Frozen fans. Certainly, if you're a Frozen fan, you're going to love it. And you'll see there's a little surprise coming here. Keep an eye on that ramp. See, we're facing forward now. And, you know, we're gonna hear some more. We're going to be immersed in the story. And then we're going to be sent backwards again. And I think that's just a really cool effect. And it's, again, something that everybody in the family can enjoy. It's fun. It's lighthearted fun. That fall is probably less than you'd find, or the drop is less than you'd find for, say, the Pirates of the Caribbean or similar. And again here, I think the theming is great. The music and the audio animatronics are really first class. This ride originally, I think we mentioned, was based on the retool of Maelstrom at Epcot, which is a big loss because I really enjoyed that ride. All that being said, this is a good ride. I think you're going to enjoy it, and it is worth the line. You probably want to try to get there early, and/or consider a premier pass, either for the day or for this ride specifically, if that's possible. Either way, definitely make this one of your priorities when you come to visit.
Stop now. Ah!
There, I think they just.
That was terrifying, guys.
Smile on.
Whoa.
Message.
Amazing.
Let your steam of the sky will be blue. Angels will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
This is take your family.
The hot and the cold, they're both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense. Winter's a good time to stay and cuddle, but put me in summer and I'll be a homme complet. Absolument. When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun. Just let your steam of the sky.
Jusqu'à ce que votre bateau soit à quai et à l'arrêt. Nous convient alors et débarquer sur la douche. Merci. Please remain seated until your boat arrives at the dock and has come to a complete stop. Then gather your personal belongings and exit to your left.
All right. Well, who loved that?
Ravi de vous revoir. Veuillez rester assis jusqu'à ce que votre bateau soit amarré au quai. Pensez à rassembler vos effets personnels